Okay, so for today's video we're going to remove the petrol cap, so it's a really simple install, a removal process. All you need to do is get a small flathead screwdriver like this, and just above this bit here there's a little latch that you just need to pull out slightly and then rotate this cap. So we'll try and capture that on film. Right, so the clip is just here. So let's get our screwdriver in, flex the clip out, and we should be able to rotate this downwards. There you go. So that's now rotated down. And off it comes. Then reinstall couldn't be any easier. Literally line up this pin to the entrance here, so there's a little slit that it goes into. So line it up to just pre that. It should go back on, and then all we need to do is rotate upwards. Yep, and that pin's locked in place. And that's your petrol cap swapped.